Hey, how's it going? My name's Ruby and let's have a look at what's making news today. Evacuation centres have been filling up in Darwin and Katherine in the Northern Territory as thousands of people seek shelter from Cyclone Trevor. It's expected to make landfall tomorrow, but at the same time, another cyclone, Cyclone Veronica, is heading for Western Australia.
What's worse than one cyclone? Two cyclones. Yep, right now Australia's dealing with some stuff. Weather stuff. Both the Northern Territory and Western Australia are bracing for Category 4 cyclones. Over in WA, people are packing up and stocking up, emptying supermarket shelves and filling up on petrol before Cyclone Veronica hits on Sunday. In the Northern Territory, Trevor's already making a big impact. Thousands have been evacuated to centres in Darwin and Katherine.
We had to sleep on the floor with a blanket, so most of the people here were a bit upset because they were sleeping on the floor.
It's been a very long trip, yeah, and then we didn't know about the cyclone.
And it's expected to get worse over the weekend.
People in New South Wales are about to hit the polling booths for a state election. The current Premier, Gladys Berejiklian, she's from the Liberal Party, is up against Daley from the Labor Party. In the lead-up, they've been out and about trying to win over locals. According to the polls, this could be a really close race. The AFL season kicked off last night. Richmond Tigers beat Carlton by 33 points at the MCG.
Underground, Weller, goal! Oh, yes!
But the win was soured by this moment.
Rance is down.
Richmond star Alex Rance will miss the rest of the season thanks to this ACL injury he copped in the third quarter. The Hindu Holi festival has just wrapped up around the world, and this year was as colourful and vibrant as ever.
Hello BTN, my name is Amulya and me and my friends are going to teach you about Holi. It's a festival celebrated by Hindus like me, and Hinduism is the third most practiced religion in the world.
Holi is based on a story about the god Vishnu and how he saved a boy from being killed in a fire started by his evil aunt. It's a festival that celebrates the arrival of spring, which is why it's held at the end of March. I know what you're thinking, it's not spring in Australia, but it is in India.
We celebrate the Holi festival for 2 days. There's special food and special ceremonies. And my favorite part is to play with the color, although it gets a little bit messy.
This is the powder here. It washes out of your clothes, but just in case wear old clothes.
Another really great thing about Holi is that you don't have to be Hindu. There are Holi festivals right around Australia and right around the world, and lots of people get involved. Happy Holi!
For our next segment, stay well away from the edge because it's a bit of a drop. For the first time ever, Australia has dropped out of the top 10 on the list of the world's happiest countries. We're now at number 11, and the happiest place for a second year running is frosty Finland. Some of the factors that are taken into account when determining how happy a country is are things like how much money people have, how long they live, and how much trust they have in their community. People looking up to the sky in LA to watch the supermoon got more than they bargained for. What looked like a shooting star turned out to be daredevils in pyrotechnic wingsuits who dropped out of a plane more than a kilometre up.
Yeah, those are wingsuit jumpers. Where did they come from?
The jump was to celebrate the final supermoon of 2019.
Really just made a top 3 moment of my life happen right there. Ever since I moved to LA, almost 19 years ago, I've been dreaming of something like this, and here we are.
And finally, the worst possible moment for a clumsy drop. This poor restaurant worker managed to splash an entire bucket of ranch sauce all over herself.
Oh my God.
The accident was posted on social media and it inspired other people to share footage of their clumsy moments too. And that is it for today, guys. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? If not, make sure you do.